Truck runs, drives good. The door gasket's a little bent or ruffled. 8,630 hours, some miles. It does have that stability control. I have no clue what that is. The one red light is just the brakes being set. It does go to orange whenever you release the brakes, and it's for that stability control. I guess it was flashing because the door was open. Yeah, it was. Huh. Yeah. AC's good and cold. I don't know if I ever done a video. All the stuff in the back worked good. I mean, there's the control for the lift gate. Got those inverters. I don't remember now how the rear air worked, but it did work. It was good and cold. Had all this stuff up here. About the only thing that it's got that I can't figure out. This step, I can't figure out how to fold it up. Not sure what is up with that, but anyways, got two vents. Oh, that swaps which direction it's going. Pretty easy to get through here with this little cab notch. Don't see really any blow by at all. It does have a little rust like we talked about. Nothing terrible. Bit of stuff on the bed. Little corrosion right there on that spot. I don't know if they bumped it and caused it to corrode or what. Little wrinkle right in here. Not bad, but a little. The lift gate underneath. Frame does come all the way to the back. And it's got a little rust. It's not terrible, but it does have some. Like I said, it run and drove good. The chains on the lift gate, which I don't know if you're planning on leaving it or taking it off, chains are kind of sticky. They're a little rusty, so it's not real smooth up and down, but it does go up and down. Like I say, I can't figure this out. I don't know if there's a release or what, but I think this is batteries for that back system for everything. Yeah, you know that works. I had it out in the picture. Where the DEF goes. Has some rust here. I don't know if you could hear in the video whenever I was showing it, but it really doesn't have any blow-by that I can see at all. So I'll get this uploaded and send it to you.